This is the most trending question nowadays. Many people like students, programmers, computer engineers are concerned about this question because it takes a lot of time and effort to learn coding. And if tools like ChatGPT can write codes, so what is a purpose to learn? So let's check what does it say. Because it gives such interesting answers that you will enjoy. At first, it gives a general answer like it's up to us and start telling about benefits of programming. But this was not our question. We all know how programming can help us. So then we asked a straight question whether we should learn coding or not. Again, it gives us general response that it depends on our personal interest and goals, and it is we who decides whether we want to learn coding or not. Third time, I tried another approach and asked the same question but with different words. So let's check what does it say. It's Tei Kiing Ta Aim. And this time, it answered our query in a much better way. It is describing, and for programmers, it is like consoling that I am not designed to write codes and debug them. I am trained to generate a human-like response. So don't worry. Do your job. Learn your programming. And in the last, because we annoyed it pretty much. So I think it's good idea to thank it. That's it for now. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you won't miss out any interesting future updates. Thanks for watching.